Hello and welcome to episode 1 of the Monday Minute. I'm your host, Carolyn Stallard, bringing you quick tips to incorporate into your teaching with technology in 5 minutes or less every Monday. Today's topic, Syllabus Engagement. If you watched our preview video on Friday, you may remember that I mentioned that we would include icebreakers as well today. For icebreakers, I wanted to make a quick plug. Here at CUNY, we have something called the CUNY Games Network, a network of instructors who are interested in game-based learning and gamification in higher education. This Friday, they will be hosting an event from 12:30 to 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, free on Zoom, on activities that you can incorporate into your course for the beginning of the semester in 5 minutes or less. I will put all the information for that event on our open space document. You, of course, are also welcome to contribute to our open space document with any ideas that you've used in your courses. Now, let's get into today's topic, syllabus engagement. The syllabus is a course contract, an accountability document, a reference guide, or an introduction. It's arguably the most important document we give our students, and yet we tend to give it to them and then just not mention it again. Instead, consider having your students engage with the syllabus. I'm going to set a timer since this is the Monday Minute. I'm going to try to give you some tips in 60 seconds on how to quickly have your students engage with the syllabus. So let's see how I do. Number 1, hide an Easter egg in the syllabus for students to find to show that they read the information. Number 2, add images, but make sure they're accessible by providing alternate text. 3, have a syllabus quiz or scavenger hunt. You can use something like Kahoot or Quizizz to have an asynchronous or synchronous quiz, or an activity like 3, 2, 1, go on Zoom. I'll write about that in the open space document. 4, black out sections of the syllabus that you don't need yet. Sometimes students don't read the syllabus just because there's too much to read at once. 5, use Google Forms to design a choose your own adventure activity. I'll post on the open space document with ideas on how to do that. 6, remember this syllabus does not have to be set in stone. It can be something you workshop with your students during the semester. 7, on day 1, ask students what is the most important information they'll need to succeed in the class. Then split them into breakout groups to find all the answers in the syllabus that they'll need to succeed. I ran out of time, but I'm going to keep going. 8, use think, pair, share, and then share their understanding with other students. 9, Snoop Dogg made a video that you can incorporate into your classes. My students love it. I will put it on our open space document. And finally, number 10, syllabus annotation. This is probably the best thing that you can do from my experience. So because this is a video where we're talking about engagement, I'm going to have you directly engage with the syllabus by annotating it. So with this video announcement, there is a link to my own syllabus for my courses. My syllabus probably looks very different than yours. I gamify my classes, so my syllabus looks like a really different system. Because it's so different, I thought it would be perfect for practicing annotating a syllabus. So what I did is I made a copy of my syllabus on Google Docs, and I changed the privacy permissions so that anyone with the link can comment. What I'd like you to do is go into my syllabus, add any questions, point out things that you're excited about, ideas, confusion, anything about the syllabus. This will give you an idea of what it might be like for students who will do this in your own classes. Then, if I was teaching you, we'd come together and talk about it, or I'd answer your questions, and I'd get an idea of what's confusing about my document. So check out my syllabus for a sample of syllabus annotation, and remember to check out our open space document where you can add ideas for how you engage with your students. Have a great day.